Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nisi and I have an educational background in nutrition. Today we're diving into the 5 easiest ways to prioritize cooking at home and enjoy healthy, delicious meals that are not only quick to make, but also budget friendly. Whether you're juggling a busy schedule or just looking for ways to eat healthier, these tips will help get you there. So let's get started. Tip number 1, meal planning. Spending a few minutes each week to plan your meals can save you so much time and stress. Write down what you plan to cook for lunch and dinner each day. This helps you avoid the what's for dinner dilemma and ensures you have all the ingredients you need. Plus, planning helps you stick to your budget because you only buy what you need. Now, when it comes to meal planning, I like to keep it simple. I use a planner and jot down what I'm gonna make each day. I also check my pantry and fridge to see what ingredients I already have. This way, I'm not buying duplicates and I can use up what I already have. For example, if I have some leftover chicken from Monday's dinner, I might plan a chicken salad for Tuesday's lunch. Tip number 2, prep ahead. Chop your veggies, marinate your proteins, and prepare any sauces in advance. Doing this on a Sunday afternoon, for example, can cut down your actual cooking time during the week to less than 30 minutes. It also makes cooking feel less like a chore and more like a fun, quick activity. One thing I love to do is use airtight containers to store my prepped ingredients. I chop onions, bell peppers, carrots, and other veggies and store them in these containers. When it's time to cook, I just grab what I need and get started. This method also helps my fridge stay organized and reduces food waste. Tip number 3. One pot and sheet pan meals. These are lifesavers. They require minimal cleanup and are incredibly easy to put together. Think roasted chicken and vegetables or a hearty vegetable stir fry. You can mix and match ingredients based on what's in season or what's on sale, keeping your meals both fresh and affordable. For sheet pan meals, I love using seasonal veggies. In the fall, I'll use butternut squash, Brussels sprouts, and sweet potatoes. In the summer, I'll use zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers. Just toss them with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast them with your protein of choice. It's so simple and delicious. Tip number 4, quick recipes. Focus on recipes that take less than 30 minutes to prepare. There are countless delicious options out there, like a simple shrimp and quinoa bowl or a veggie packed pasta. Keep your pantry stocked with staples like pasta, rice, canned beans, and frozen veggies so you can whip up something nutritious in no time. Having a well-stocked pantry is a game changer. I always have things like whole grain pasta, brown rice, canned chickpeas, and frozen veggies on hand. These ingredients are versatile and can be used in so many different recipes. For example, I can make a quick stir fry with rice and frozen veggies or a hearty pasta salad with canned chickpeas. Tip number 5, use technology. There are so many apps and websites that offer quick and healthy recipe ideas. Some even have budget-friendly filters so you can find meals that won't break the bank. Set aside a few minutes each week to explore new recipes and add them to your meal plan. You can look at a website called My Plate. They have tons of recipes that are well-balanced and nutrient dense. Remember, cooking at home doesn't have to be time-consuming or expensive. With a little planning and some smart tips, you can enjoy nutritious and delicious meals every day. Here's an example of a quick and easy recipe, a veggie packed pasta that you can make in under 30 minutes. First, cook your pasta according to the package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, heat some olive oil in a large pan and saute some garlic. Then add your prepped veggies. You can use bell peppers, zucchini, and spinach. Saute until they're tender. Then add a can of diced tomatoes and season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Once the pasta is done, toss it in with the veggies, and there you have it. A healthy, delicious meal in under 30 minutes. It's that simple. And the best part, this meal is not only quick and easy, but it's also budget friendly. The ingredients are affordable and easy to find, and you can customize it based on what you have on hand. I hope these tips help and you prioritize home cooking and make your life a little easier. By planning your meals, prepping ahead, using one pot and sheet pan meals, focusing on quick recipes, and utilizing technology, you can enjoy healthy, delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen or breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more meal planning and nutrition tips. Let me know in the comments below if you have any favorite quick and budget-friendly recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Happy cooking.